Making money online not only helps you generate passive income, but also offers great flexibility. No time limits, no location constraints. With the explosion of AI technology, making money online has become easier, smarter, and more efficient than ever. In this video, I will introduce you to a new method using AI tools to optimize your online income. Hit the like button on this video now, and let's explore step-by-step the effective money-making strategy today. First, you should look for products in the market, and I suggest you start with digital products. Why? Because digital products not only provide high commissions, but can also create recurring income over time. For example, if a customer uses the service in the first month and then decides to renew it in the following months, you will still receive a monthly commission. So, we will choose the email marketing field for today's content. Now, let's use ChatGPT to search for and request suggestions for the best email marketing tools available today. Suppose we will start making money online with the affiliate marketing method using the famous email marketing tool, GetResponse. First, you just need to visit GetResponse's official website, scroll down, and find the affiliate program section. The registration process is very simple. Enter your full name, email address, and password, then complete the process to get your affiliate account. As you can see, you are provided with a unique link. If someone signs up for an account on GetResponse through your link, you will receive the corresponding commission. But here's the important part. How do you effectively promote your link and attract traffic? Don't worry, we'll explore link promotion methods by leveraging the power of AI tools. Let's move into the next strategic steps. Today, we'll explore an incredibly exciting AI tool called Infography. You can find the link to this tool in the description below the video. So, what is Infography? It is an AI tool that helps you transform text content into graphic images easily and quickly. For example, you just need to provide a text excerpt, a PDF file, or even a blog post from a website. Then, Infography will automatically create visually appealing graphic images based on the content you provide. What you need to do now is register for an account with your email. Then, log into Infography and select a suitable template by clicking on Templates in the left menu. Here, you will see many different templates. Carefully review each one, then choose a template that suits you. Once you've found a template you like, click on Use with AI. Now, just provide input information for the tool. There are three options available: a URL of an article from a website, provide a topic, a piece of text content. Next, select the language and click Generate. Or, if you don't want to choose from the available templates and prefer to customize your own, simply return to the home page. Alright, now let's start implementing the promotion strategy for the GetResponse email marketing link. Let's try providing input information using various options to find the best result. First, provide information by entering the URL of an article from a website. Since we are promoting the GetResponse email marketing service, I want to emphasize the importance of email marketing. I found a top-ranked article on Google titled 9 Reasons Why Email Marketing is So Important. So, I'll copy the link to this article and paste the URL here, then choose the ratio, language, and click Generate. Let's wait for a moment. And here it is. We've received 6 graphics for the content of the article above. Now, let's try providing a topic. So, I'll type the importance of email marketing here. This resulted in 3 graphics using the topic option. Next, let's try providing input using text content. Now, let's use ChatGPT and ask it to write about the importance of email marketing. Once we have the article from ChatGPT, copy and paste it here. And now it's time to review the results. If you're not satisfied with any detail, you can click on Edit. You can customize everything for your graphic, from the background color, title color, title font, to all the graphic content. Finally, download them to your device and start the promotion campaign. Graphics with valuable content like this are very suitable for Pinterest. Take advantage of this by creating diverse, unique graphics and turning them into many attractive pins on Pinterest. Especially, don't forget to attach the GetResponse link to each pin to increase the chance of earning commissions from potential customers when they sign up for GetResponse's email marketing service. The more pins you create, the greater your chances of reaching customers. This not only helps you increase visibility, but also opens the door to significantly maximizing profits. Turn Pinterest into your effective money-making tool. Alright, now let's discuss the pricing of this AI tool's versions. Currently, there are two paid versions. The Lite version costs $15 per month, providing 50 credits and supporting 130 languages. Meanwhile, the professional version costs $30 per month, offering 250 credits, 130 languages, and support for up to 5 users. Okay, that's all for today's content. Thank you for watching.